So quite often we get a customer that asks us, why should I buy build-to-print filters from you versus buying them from your competition? The simple answer is, does your build-to-print fabricator design filters for a living? Does your build-to-print fabricator test filters for a living? And if the answer is no, you're always going to have that concern that what you ordered isn't going to give you the RF performance that you were expecting out of that performance. That's the difference between you and your fabricator understanding the manufacturing tolerances and understanding the impacts of your design. A build-to-print manufacturer does not have the materials design experience and capability to understand the permittivity of those dielectrics. They don't have the testing capability in many cases. So they don't understand the ability to build that filter and the tolerancing or the impact of manufacturing processes and how that can affect the RF performance of that product. That doesn't matter in every single application, but now, are you going to sort out those 10 filters, which ones it does matter and which ones it doesn't matter, to decide which fabricator to bring them to? Yes, there's pluses and minuses to every fabricator, and they all do a very good job, and they all have slightly different processes, which is similar to your semiconductor fab. One fab is not the same as the other. We all have our design tolerances or our design rules. But when you end up with a fabricated part from Knowles, you're gonna get a filter that is manufactured on a manufacturing line that does have a feedback loop of other filters that we're testing for some of our other customers. And that ensures that our operators and technicians are trained at the highest skill level to understand what those variables are and how to make sure we minimize those tolerances to maximize the customer's overall RF performance that they get on the parts that we ship to them.